guess I'm in a maid. Told your mama you were gonna see better days. I'm in the studio working every day. Don't play with the game, we see the shots every day. Ay. I got the green jet like Celtics. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Angie is back with another mukbang. This one is a Sonic. Double bacon cheeseburger. Take some of this lipstick off my lips, y'all. Yeah, I'm having a beautiful day, y'all. I'm ghetto, y'all. Left my straw in the car. I'm going back out there until I can put my clothes in the dryer. I feel blessed. Woke up this morning to a clean house. All dishes clean. Mopped all the floors yesterday. Now I'm washing all the clothes up. I'm doing all the now I'm washing all the clothes up and I'm doing all the sheets and stuff. Getting that cleaned up because I gotta work tomorrow and I'm off today, so after I get through washing them clothes and stuff, and then I'm gonna cook some rotel or whatever. But I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna get my drink on. Go get in my bed. Clean the sheets. I change the sheets. And I'm in the lounge, relax. I got a lot of bacon on here this time. Yeah, I'm gonna watch me something good. Take me another shower. And relax. I'll get this mukbang now because every time I do the mukbang, y'all see that. Y'all notice it. I told you I've been having ex problems. One of my exes knocks on the door. First time it was my dude, but we not together no more. I broke up with him before Valentine's Day. And I ain't saying to be bragging, but I need something to do. I need something I can grow with. We can have something. We can make an empire together. Something we can build a foundation. You working, I'm working, come together, and we rise to the top. It's us against the world. Nobody can break that. That's what I want. But half these bum ass niggas don't want to act right. And the same thing for these bum bitches too. It ain't just the men. So basically I want a man that wants something. You want something, I want something, we gonna have something. I want a man who's business minded. Who wanna invest in each other. Me and him invest in our business. And I hate that I got this old thing like that, but better late than never. And we can leave our kids and stuff behind. Just some things I'm working on behind the scenes. This gonna be my year. 2020, it was bad, but it wasn't bad. It was just the COVID. But it wasn't no bad year, because really, for real, tell you too, I've been blessed the whole 2020. Everybody was going through food droughts and all kind of stuff wasn't going right. I was already just sitting back chilling, relaxed. I thank God for that. God was blessing me, still is blessing me. Like, don't worry about nothing, honey. I got you. You just do you. I'm gonna make sure you eat good, your bills paid, your rent paid. I'm gonna make sure you got what you want and what you need. I'm gonna make sure. You just sit back, relax, trust me, let go and let me do it. So I let go, let God. And won't he do it, honey? Won't he do it? You know, the funny part about life is, God done put you, how can I say it? God will make you, like God will make your image your footstool. Like, say for instance, you was broke before, and now you're not broke no more. That's, to me, God showing you a thing with you when you broke, and I don't want them to be with you when you got it. And I like that stuff like that. I like them kind of tests. I like to know. That's why I play stupid. I play real dumb to see how people go. They be like, this girl crazy. She's stupid. No, I'm smart. I'm really smart than you think I am. And I can figure some shit out real fast. I just won't say it no more. See, I used to figure stuff out and I'd be like, this, that. No, now I figure it out. And like my son said, Mama, ignore that shit. Act like you don't give a fuck, because you really don't give a fuck. And keep moving. Yeah, I just ignore it. Because it ain't my business. I don't give a fuck. And it ain't putting no money in my pocket. If it ain't putting no money in my pocket, I'm not worried about you. I'm focusing on my money. Fuck some love right now. If it come along, that's cool. But other than that, no, I don't want that. I want my money. And I can go get me some anytime I want to. I got it like that. I'm not desperate. I'm bragging. It's just time out for the bullshit. I'm looking about it. It don't make money. It don't make sense to be in my face. It don't make money. It don't make sense to even talk to me. Don't even waste my time. Because my time is very, very precious. My time is more valuable than gold. Because that's something you can't get back. You can get money, but you can't get this time back. Nobody wasting my time no more. Nobody. But, yeah, I'm just talking and chilling. I'm finna put my clothes in the dryer. I wanted some cake, but my son told Mama, no. I don't want no cakes. I'm tired of cake. And I be tearing them noodles up. I love doing noodles. Cakes, well, it's fire. And it's cheaper. Lunchtime, oh man. I must stop buying fast food. Because I'm trying to pick back up some of my weight. So, I went and got me another waist trainer. For real. The other one, Babe bought me, with him, my babe no more, but he bought me, I wore that out. But it did help me lose some weight. It sure did. I miss himself. I miss him a little bit. But not that much to go back. I ain't going back. Yeah, I got some stuff. I really want to share what I got for Valentine. I can't. Cause for real, okay. He's talking crazy. And so don't be all on there. That's when I got you showing it, because my friends already said that I'm P whip. You got me pussy whip. And what do you say? I was like, this African stupid. What do you say? They say I'm your sugar daddy. You Angela sugar daddy. I don't know why you worry about steal people. Half them friends, your friends already talk to me anyway, so they ain't no damn good. So why you worry about somebody thinking about? Stupid. Are you happy? Cause I'm happy. If you happy, and I'm happy, why the fuck you worry about what they talking about? That's dumb. They can't make you happy. And I'm gonna put it on there anyway, but I respect. I understand what you're saying, because I don't want men. I don't care what I think. You say you got your opinion, that's fine. But I don't gotta claim that. Shit, you can say I'm this, you can say I'm that. Oh, she ugly. To you I am. But to the next person, I'm the shit. It don't matter to me. I don't care what you think. Because to me, I'm the shit. But yeah, he don't like think he know no fool. I buy her all kinds of stuff and do stuff. You do stuff for her. Your friends are jealous. And it was the same people that try to talk to me. And you know that. Stupid. But whatever. I'm gonna put that shit on there when I get ready. Slowly but surely. I might not say who bought it, but I'm gonna be like, I got this for Valentine's Day. Yep. I don't give a fuck if it's next week. Watch me. But I'm trying to keep the peace. I got one more cream I want. And that's the Chanel number 9. I got everything else I said I was going to get. But the Chanel number 9, I'm going to get that shit. Man. I love smell good. I do it on purpose. Get around a man that like you and you smell good, they can't stay out of you. They won't be, they all on your neck, sucking on your neck, all on you. All on you. I know I'm sexy. I know it. Every man don't like me, but I sure can catch it. I can have who I want. I really can. Swear to God, I can have who I want. I ain't tried it. But I ain't met somebody that can handle me. I intimidate all my men. They can't handle me. I ain't met not one man that can handle me. Can't tame me. Don't even know how to tame me. That's crazy. But I sure be taming their ass. I ain't be putting it on. I can't tell y'all some things that be going down, because my son, I really flip out. But if we all knew how nasty, I like them nasty. Let me go out here. My clothes should be ready to dry. I didn't eat all my food, y'all. But I'm full a little bit, though. I ain't got that much left. And a little bit of tater tot. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I'll be back on here to do either breakfast mukbang or rotel or both. Let me go put my clothes in the dryer. I love y'all. And you gang.
Like some enemy. Told your mama you were gonna see better days. I'm in the studio working every day. Don't play with the game, we see the shots every day. I got big green jet like Celtics. Yeah.